Chapter 8. Replacing naming words. Get set go. Hello, I am Riyat. Meet Simi. She is my sister. I love to play football and she likes to play badminton. We both come to the park every day. Do you also go to the park to play? Observe the underlined words. Learn with me. Read the following sentences aloud. Maria is wearing a new frock. Maria is playing with her ball. Maria's dog is also playing with Maria. Maria is a naming word. Notice how Maria is repeated many times in the sentences above. This makes the sentences sound odd. Let's try to make them sound better. Maria is wearing a new frock. She is playing with her ball. Her dog is also playing with her. Now, read the following pairs of sentences. 1. John is my friend. He likes banana. In the second sentence, he stands for John. 2. Meena is a girl. She is 10 years old. In the second sentence, she stands for Meena. 3. Kitty is a cat. It is sleeping in the basket. In the second sentence, it stands for the cat. We use he, she, and it to replace names and avoid saying them over and over. He, she, it. Use he for a man or a boy. Use she for a girl or a woman. Use it for a thing, an animal or a bird. Learn with me. I, we. Rohit, will you help me carry these books? Yes, ma'am, I will. Divya and I are friends. We play together. We use I when we talk about ourselves. We use we to talk about a group of 2 or more people, including the speaker. You. Children, it is lunch break. You can go out to play after having lunch. Thank you, ma'am. We use you when we talk to one or more than one person. They. Hello, I am Mishi. These are Tommy and Kitty. They are my pets. We use they when we talk about more than one person, animal, place, or thing. Learn with me. Read the following. Sam has a cat. He likes the cat very much. It has kittens. They are very small. Sam is a naming word. We use he in place of Sam. Cat is a naming word. We use it in place of cat. Kitten is a plural naming word. We use they in place of kitten. I, you, we, she, he, they, and it are used in place of naming word.